Honeybees operate a well-organized case system where the queen bee is at the center of all activities going on in the hive. Every bee has a specific task to do. The female worker bee constitutes the largest share of the hive's population. They are tasked with the responsibility of cleaning and building the hives, as well as collecting pollen and nectar. A male drone's only purpose is to mate with the queen, after which they die. The life of a worker bee is a very harsh one. Although worker bees can live for 4 to 6 months during the summer or spring, they only get to live for 6 weeks before dying of exhaustion. The lifespan of a drone is even shorter. They only get to live for an average of 55 days before they die. And there is the queen who can live as long as 6 years. She is the mother of most or all the bees in the colony. Her responsibility is to lay all the eggs that would ensure the continuity of the hive. She can lay as many as 2,000 eggs in a day. The queen bee is usually surrounded by worker bees who attend to her every need: feeding, grooming, and even the disposing of her waste. So how does a bee become a queen? Whenever the queen bee leaves the hive, or can no longer perform her duties effectively due to old age, injury, or death, worker bees begin the process of looking for a replacement. To do this, the worker bees would select a batch of newly hatched female larvae and feed them only with royal jelly, a protein-rich secretion from the glands in the worker bees' heads. All other female larvae are fed with bee bread, which is a combination of pollen and nectar and some royal jelly. However, queen larvae are restricted to only royal jelly. It is this dietary difference that makes the queen larvae sexually mature. Each queen larvae develops in a specially constructed queen cell similar to a peanut in appearance. The queen cells remain open until the queen larva is ready to pupate, and then it is covered with beeswax for her to develop fully. Once this growth process is complete, she chooses her way out. Whichever queen bee emerges first seeks out other queen bees that are still developing and kills them before they hatch. If multiple queens hatch at the same time, they will usually fight till the death. The winning virgin queen then takes off on a mating flight to mate with 12 to 15 drones until she is fully mated, storing up to 6 million sperm in a spermathecal to be used to lay fertilized eggs for more than 3 years.